Dear students, now we are in the topic of applications of differentiation. Since 15 days we are discussing the topic applications of differentiation. Among them, so many topics are there and so many subtopics are there. Among the applications of differentiation topic, we are in maxima minima. This is the most IMP concept, maxima minima. In previous class, I discussed about the topic of maxima minima and increasing decreasing functions also. We have completed 3 repeats and level 1 homework I said previously, some important sums I discussed. Maxima minima concept and increasing decreasing functions concept also I discussed in previous class. Next, let us discuss some important concepts, some sums in level 1 classwork I am going to discuss with you. Level 1 classwork, some sums. Let us discuss about, here I am writing schedule 7, 8, 10, 13, 15, 19, 21, 23. Like this schedule I am giving to you. 30, 33, remaining sums you should do, students. 34, 35, this is IMP question. Next 37, 38, 41, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. According to our schedule, total level 1 49 sums are there. Some sums I am discussing with you. Remaining sums you do, students. Let us going to discuss about 7th question. F of x is equal to x e power minus x. F of x is equal to x e power minus x is decreasing. Where the function is decreasing, we know that if f dash x less than 0, that implies f of x is decreasing. Whenever f of x, f dash x less than 0, then f of x is decreasing. Now let us discuss about the derivative. F dash x is equal to x into e power minus x, derivative e power x into internal derivative minus 1 plus e power minus x into x derivative 1. This is less than 0 you put. Now we can take common e power minus x, then you can write here 1 minus x less than 0. E power minus x divide with e power minus x, because e power minus x can be written as 1 by e power x. Maybe the condition, he did not give anything about e power, about x. We should discuss about x now. Now that implies you can write here 1 minus x less than 0, or this can be written as x minus 1 greater than 0 and x greater than 1. Therefore, you can write here whenever x greater than 1, then x belongs to 1 comma infinity. So 1 comma infinity is the required domain. 7th one completed. Let us discuss about 8th question. F of x is equal to ln x. Ln x, logarithm of logarithm x. Ln x, f of x is equal to logarithm. Ln means logarithm function. Ln x, given the condition x greater than 1, is asking about increasing. Increasing he is asking. F of x is equal to ln x. For increasing, we should write the formula f dash x greater than 0. If f dash x greater than 0, then f of x is increasing. F dash x greater than 0, then f of x is increasing. We can write the derivative of log x. We can write this one as 1 by x log x, because log x derivative 1 by x, this is 1 by log x and internal derivative is log x. This should be greater than 0. If you multiply, you can write this one as if a by b greater than 0, if a by b greater than 0, that implies ab greater than 0. So we can try to understand as x log x greater than 0. X log x greater than 0. If you divide with x, anyhow he given as x greater than 1, according to this one, log x greater than 0 you should write. Because if product of two numbers is greater than 0, among them either first one is greater than 0 or second one is greater than 0, like that. Positive into positive, like that concept. Positive already x greater than 1 he given, or negative into negative. Here you should try to understand as only positive into positive, x greater than 1, here it is positive, so this should be positive. Log x greater than 0 to the base you can write. Now you can write x greater than e power 0 according to logarithm theory. X greater than 1 you can write, then it can be written as x belongs to this one also 1 comma infinity. So at 1 comma infinity the function f of x ln x is increasing. So next let us discuss about 10th question. According to interval, 10th question, x greater than 0 he given the condition, then the interval monotonically increasing, f of x is equal to 2x square minus log x, 2x square minus log x, monotonically increasing. I said that if the function is whether increasing or decreasing, it is said to be monotonic function. 7 completed, 8 completed. Let us discuss about 10th question. X greater than 0 he given, f of x is equal to 2x square minus log x, 2x square minus log x, monotonically increasing. Whether it is monotonically increasing or simply increasing, you should use the formula f dash x greater than 0, f dash x greater than 0. 2x square derivative 4x, and this is minus 1 by x, log x derivative. So you can write this one as 4x square minus 1 greater than 0. That implies you can write here 2x plus 1 into 2x minus 1 greater than 0. We know the formula x minus alpha and x minus beta greater than 0, then x does not lie between alpha and beta. You can write here x does not belongs to closed interval minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. That implies you can write here x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 1 by 2 union, this is open interval, and 1 by 2 comma infinity. X greater than 0 he given the condition. Since I am writing here, since x greater than 0, therefore x belongs to this one 1 by 2 comma infinity. Here 1 by 2 comma infinity is fourth option is the correct answer. Next one, 13th one. 13th one, f of x is equal to tan inverse of sin x. This is somewhat important bit for MSET. F of x is equal to tan inverse of sin x is increasing. F of x is equal to tan inverse of sin x is increasing. When it is increasing, he is going to ask whether the function is increasing, the condition is f dash x greater than 0. We know that the tan inverse of sin x derivative, I mean tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. So here I am writing 1 by 1 plus sin square x, 1 by 1 plus sin square x into sin x internal derivative cos x. For this one, we should try to understand greater than 0. Denominator is square, every square is positive, and 1 is positive, positive plus positive equal to positive. So here you should try to understand only numerator should becomes positive. Therefore, I am writing here, therefore cos x greater than 0. Let us discuss about the concept of C plus S. Regarding the concept of C plus S, here I am writing pi by 2, this is pi by 2, this is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2. Or here you can write minus pi by 2. We know that cos x is positive, cos x I am writing. Cos x is positive and cos x is positive in first quadrant and fourth quadrant. In Q1, Q4, cos x is positive. So x belongs to, here I am writing Q1, Q4 means according to interval, small letter to big letter, you should write minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So GS I am writing means general solution is x belongs to cos x general solution. So according to rotations I am saying 2n pi plus or minus alpha is general solution of cos theta. Here you can write here according to rotations 2n pi minus pi by 2 comma 2n pi plus pi by 2. This is the solution of tan inverse of sin x is increasing. Next 13 completed. Let us discuss about 15th question. 15th one. X greater than 0. Here also condition given as x greater than 0. Then which one of the following is true? You observe the options. For every option he given as tan inverse x greater than x by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse x less than. For every function he given as tan inverse x. The relation he given between tan inverse x and x by 1 plus x square. So x greater than 0 I am using x greater than 0. Let us write here consider. Consider f of x is equal to, according to option I am saying, tan inverse x minus x by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse x minus x by 1 plus x square. Now about decreasing or increasing, he is discussing about which is true. So let us discuss about f dash x. Now I am writing f dash x. What is the derivative of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square minus, this is u by v method, vu dash minus uv dash by v square I am writing. 1 plus x square into 1 minus x into 1 plus x square derivative 2x by, here v square is equal to 1 plus x square whole square. You can take here LCM as 1 plus x square whole square. Here you can put 1 plus x square minus, let us discuss here 1 plus x square, put a bracket here. 1 plus x square minus 2x square becomes 1 minus x square. So whenever you multiply with minus, you can get it to 2x square. This one 2x square by 1 plus x square whole square. We know that every square is positive since I am writing it. Since every square is positive greater than 0. Of course greater than or equal to 0. So according to options greater than, I am discussing greater than 0. So what is greater than 0 here? F dash x, because here x square is positive, x square is positive, whole square is positive, 1 is positive, positive square positive, everything is positive. So you can try to understand here f dash x greater than 0. Therefore, whatever we considered here, f dash x meaning tan inverse x minus x by 1 plus x square is positive, greater than 0. Therefore, you can decide the value as tan inverse x greater than x by 1 plus x square is correct. X by 1 plus x square. According to options here, this is first option. Next, let us going to discuss about 19th question. This is somewhat important. F of x equal to sin inverse x whole square plus cos inverse x whole square. Stationary point. F of x equal to sin inverse x whole square plus cos inverse x whole square. Sin inverse x whole square plus cos inverse x whole square is stationary. Is stationary yet. Stationary meaning where the f dash x is equal to 0 or where the f dash x does not exist. There the function has a stationary. So the function is said to be stationary function if f dash x is equal to 0 or f dash x does not exist. So I want to say that here we should calculate stationary point. Yet means wherever the function f dash x equal to 0. If you need the value wherever the point stationary, if you substitute the value in given f of x, you will be getting the stationary value. Now you can write here f dash x. F dash x is equal to here derivative 2 sin inverse. By internal derivative I am writing 1 minus x square. Here I am writing this one as 2 cos inverse x, because cos inverse x internal derivative minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square is equal to 0 you can write. root 1 minus x square into taken that side, it becomes, now you can write this one as sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse x, where the value of sin inverse x and cos inverse x becomes, we know that x is equal to 1 by root 2. So at 1 by root 2, the stationary value, it becomes, the derivative becomes 0. So x is equal to 1 by root 2 is the stationary value. Wherever the f dash x is 0, their stationary value exists here. X is equal to 1 by root 2. At x is equal to 1 by root 2, the stationary value is of f of x becomes 0. Next, 21st question. Minimum value, this is 21st question. Minimum value is asking. Minimum value of f of x is equal to log x by x square. Log x by x square. In bracket he given x greater than 0. Occurs yet. Minimum value. Maximum value. 21 he is asking. Maximum value, not minimum. Maximum. Maximum value. Maximum value x greater occurs yet. Maximum value occurs yet. To find the min or max, this is the first sum I am writing. To find out f of x is, to find out f of x is min or max. A function f of x is min or max, f dash x is equal to 0. Yet, whenever f dash x is equal to 0, you do, we can say that the value, if want to, yet where occurs the value is f dash x equal to 0. If you need the value you should substitute, wherever the value we got, the value you should substitute here, then you will be getting minimum value. Now, f dash x I am writing. F dash x is equal to x square into u by v, students, u by v model vu dash minus u dash by v square. X square into 1 by x minus log x into 2x whole by x power 4 is equal to 0, you can write. Now x power 4 taken that side, x square get cancelled. Now x you can take common. 1 minus 2 log x I am writing. 1 minus 2 log x is equal to 0. X greater than 0 he given, so don't worry about this one. This is not equal to 0, this is another version 0. So 1 minus 2 log x is equal to 0 I am writing here. 1 minus 2 log x is equal to 0. You can write here 2 log x is equal to 1. To the base e you can write. Log x to the base e is equal to 1 by 2. So x is equal to e power 1 by 2, x is equal to root e. Where the value occurs means here at x is equal to root e is the answer. If you need value, you can substitute the value root e here, then you will be getting the maximum value. Yet means only x, value means the substituted value. Whatever the answer you will be getting, it is the maximum value. Now, let us discuss about 23rd question. 23rd question, this one also minimum value. Minimum value of f of x is equal to x square plus 250 by x. 250 by x. To find the minimum, or I am saying here, to find f of x is min or max, f dash x is equal to 0. X square derivative 2x and 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square, minus 250 by x square equal to 0. Now, with 2 you divide. Now you can write here x cube is equal to 125 directly, x is equal to 5. This we are getting the value at where the value is min or max. Now if you need the value, you can substitute this one in here. Now I am writing to find the value. Now f of 5. F of 5 substitute here. 25 plus 250 by 5. 250 by 5 is 50. So 75 is the value. So 23 completed. Let us discuss about 30th question. 30. The least value of f of x is equal to x cube by 3 minus abx occurs. He is asking f of x is equal to x cube by 3 minus abx occurs yet. occurs yet, he is asking. To find the value f dash min or max f dash x equal to 0. Here I am writing 3x square by 3 minus ab equal to 0. Simple sums I am saying today. So x square is equal to ab. Therefore, x is, I am writing here, gm of x is equal to gm of ab, or x comma a comma x comma b are in geometrical progression, we can say. Here simply value x square is equal to ab according to option gm of ab is the first option. 30 completed. Let us discuss 33rd question. 33rd question. The minimum value of, according to trigonometric ratios, periodicity and extreme values we discussed in that chapter. 33rd question. Min value he is asking. 33rd question. Min value of 7 by 4 sin x plus 4 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 2. 4 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 2. Students, here this is trigonometric function, this is algebraic function. Trigonometric function is in the by. So this is in the form of reciprocal with 7. So to find min value, you should calculate max value here. Here max value, this max value should count. Max value formula a sin x plus b cos x plus c formula, max value equal to c plus root of a square plus b square. Now you can write here c by 2 plus root of 16 plus 9. So 7 by 2 plus 5, this is 7. 7 by 7 is 1. That's all. Minimum value of this function is 1. Now let us discuss about 34th question. F of x is equal. He is asking about nth degree polynomial. F of x is equal to a0 plus a1x square. Nth degree even polynomial is discussing. So a1x square plus a2x power 4 plus a3x power 6 plus so on. an x power 2n when 0 less than, a1 less than, a2 less than, a3 less than, so on, a2n. So a2n is the largest number and 0 is the smallest number. That implies f of x has, he is asking, f of x has according to option. So what is the option? Let us calculate f dash x. F dash x. To find the function f of x is min or max, we should calculate f dash x. a0 is a constant derivative 0. This is 2a1x. This is 4a2x cube. This is a cube. Plus 6a3x power 5 plus 1 2n an x power 2n minus 1 is equal to 0. Here every student can try to understand that we can take common 2x. a1 plus 2a2 a1 plus 2a2 x squared plus 3a3 x power 4 plus so on, 2 taken common, so 2 simple n x power x taken common, x power 2n minus 2 equal to 0. This is any number, we cannot decide. Therefore, you can say that x is equal to 0. a1, a0, same thing, he given a0 less than, a1 less than everything, 0 less than like that, he given the order. Here we can say that x is equal to 0. Now, if we calculate the second derivative, now I am writing. Second derivative, f double dash x here. This becomes 2a1 plus 4a2 into 3x square plus so on, I am writing 2n into 2n minus 1 into x power 2n minus 2 into an handwriting. Right here, yet x is equal to 0. So whatever the value invading, f dash of 0 is equal to simply 2a1. He is discussing about 0 less than a1, means a1 is positive. So 2a1 is there now, 2a1 greater than 0, he am writing since a1 is positive. Whenever this is positive, whenever the value second derivative is greater than 0, we can say that it is minimum. This is positive or negative. Therefore, we can say that f of x is minimum. According to options, he given only one minimum, that's all. F of x is minimum, I am writing. It has only one minimum. It has only one minimum. Because there will be no 2, 3 or 4, 5. Only f double dash x greater than 0 means it is minimum. We have only one value. Only one minimum. Why he is discussing about only one minimum? There will not be maximum because 0 less than a1 less than the condition he given. So no need to worry about maximum. 34 completed. 35 I am by side. 35 the condition f of x is equal to. The condition f of x is equal to x cube plus px square plus qx plus r. X cube plus px square plus qx plus r. X belongs to r here. To have no extreme value, to have no extreme value, no extreme value. So what is no extreme value he is asking. So let us discuss about f dash x. F dash x condition 3x square plus 2px plus q. To find the value, to find the f of x whether it is min or max, we can discuss f dash x is equal to 0. Whenever he is asking to us, it has no extreme value. So f double dash x may be is equal to 0. So it is not less than 0 or not greater than 0. We can say that using the quadratic equations, f dash x, roots I am saying, roots of f dash x are imaginary. I mean no real roots. If there are no real roots for f dash x is equal to 0, there will be no min or max. So let us discuss about delta. Here delta means for the quadratic equation b square minus 4ac. So here it is 4p square minus 4 into 3, 12q. This is less than 0, right? With this one you divide p square minus 3q less than 0. Therefore, p square less than 3q is the required condition. First option. P square less than 3q is the required condition. 35 completed. Let us discuss about 36th question. So 37 here. The greatest value of sin cube x plus cos cube x in 0, pi by 2. Sin cube x plus cos cube x in 0, pi by 2. Two methods are there, one shortcut and one general. F of x is equal to sin cube x plus cos cube x. Greatest value. Greatest value in 0, pi by 2. To find the sin cube x plus cos cube x, to find the function f of x is equal to min or max, we should calculate f dash x is equal to 0. So you can write here 3 sin square x cos x minus 3 cos square x sin x equal to 0 because 3 sin square x in internal derivative like that. We can divide with the 3 and you can take a common as sin x cos x. Sin x cos x into you can write here sin x minus cos x equal to 0. You can write this one as a sine 2x by 2. This is sine 2x by 2 into this is a sine x minus cos x equal to 0. Sine 2x, either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0, you can write sine 2x is equal to 0 or sine x is equal to cos x. So whenever sine x equal to cos x, you can write here x is equal to pi by 4. Whenever sine 2x equal to 0, here you can say 2x is equal to n pi according to calculation of sine trigonometric property. 2x is equal to n pi. 2x is equal to n pi and x is equal to n pi by 2. X is equal to n pi by 2. He is asking about only between the value 0 comma pi by 2. If we discuss, let us see the options. If he given only closed interval, he given. If he given closed interval, then pi by 2, x is equal to, put n is equal to 1. So pi by 2 also we can take. X is equal to pi by 2 and writing. X is equal to pi by 4 and writing. Yeah. If x is equal to f of pi by 2 I am writing. Let us discuss about second derivative also, because he is asking about greatest value. So let us discuss about second derivative also. If we calculate second derivative, then it will be decided automatically. So second derivative, this is sine 2x and sine x cos x. Sine 2x into sine x derivative cos x. Sine 2x into sine x derivative cos x plus sine x. This is plus. Here you can write sin x minus cos x into sin 2x derivative 2 sin 2x. 2 cos 2x by 2. Simply you write cos 2x. 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled. Cos 2x. Now you can substitute the value f double dash of pi by 2. F double dash of pi by 2. You can substitute the value of this becomes sin 2. This is 0. Plus cos 2 into pi by 2 cos 2 pi minus 1 into sin x minus cos x, it is 1. So minus 1 less than 0. So the students should try to understand that the double dash, whenever f double dash x 0, where it is max, there it is maximum. Therefore max value I am writing. Max value is equal to f of pi by 2 is equal to, you can substitute 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So 1 is the max value. Students can get it out. Why should we do all this? Some directly can substitute here. This is a shortcut method. We know that the max value of sin theta is 1 and cos theta is also 1. If you think like that 1 plus 1 you can write 2. It is wrong. So you should substitute the value 0. So many shortcuts we used previously. Here sin, if you put 0, it becomes cos 0, 1. If you put 90 here, it is 1. So like that also you could try to understand. Otherwise, you can say this model, this is the process and that is the shortcut. Next. 37 completed. 38. 38 he given the absolute maximum of y is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2. X cube minus 3x plus 2 he given. X cube minus 3x plus 2. It may be a curve. 37 completed. 38. Y is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2 in 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. I said that it is here between two intervals, between given intervals, if you substitute the value, we should calculate here, the value is called as absolute maximum value. Here regarding the 0 and 2 you should calculate. Now to find the value min or max, for everything you should write the derivative of given function equal to 0. 3x square minus 3 equal to 0, x square is equal to 1, x is equal to plus or minus 1, because here 0 is there, where you should not consider minus 1 is there, x is equal to 1 you take, and d square y by dx square also I am writing. D square by dx square means 6x. At x is equal to 1 I am writing 6. 6 greater than 0. So min. So whenever f double dash is greater than 0, it is min value exists. He is asking about absolute maximum. So here it is min, so 1 is not correct. Simply you can substitute the value 2 here. To find I am writing. To find absolute maximum value. To find absolute maximum value, f of 2 you can substitute. F of 2, so it becomes 8 minus 6 plus 2. 4 maybe. Yes, 4. 4 he given as first option. It is correct. 38 completed. Next, let us discuss about 41. If the sum of two positive numbers is 18, the maximum value of their product. Students, I said so many times, sum of two positive numbers equal to, sum of two positive numbers is equal to x or a, anything k. Sum of two positive numbers is k, then maximum value. Numbers are, I am writing. Numbers are k by 2 comma k by 2. By shortcut, plenty of times I said. According to this one here, their product he is asking. So k he given as 18. So here you can write 9 comma 9. Product easily you can write by shortcut. 9 into 9 equal to 81. 81 is the shortcut here. As earlier I said so many times. That is why I written directly here. 44. 44 a plus b is equal to pi by 3. I think we discussed this one in trigonometry also. Then the max value of max value of tan A into tan B. Tan A into tan B max value. So put here a plus b is equal to 60 degrees. So you can put here a is equal to 30 and b is equal to 30 degrees. You can write here tan A means tan 30 degrees into tan B means also tan 30 degrees. You can write here this is 1 by root 3 into this is 1 by root 3. Product is 1 by 3. That's all. 44 completed. Let us discuss about 45th question. 45, the minimum value of 16 cot x plus 9 tan x. Minimum value of 16 cot x. 16 cot x plus 9 tan x. Some formula is there, but I am saying the concept about cot tan concept. Use am greater than or equal to gm for two numbers. What are am here? Two numbers I am saying that 16 cot x plus 9 tan x by 2 greater than or equal to root of 16 cot x into 9 tan x. Root of 16 cot x into 9 tan x. So you can write here 16 cot x. 16 cot x plus 9 tan x greater than or equal to, you know that cot x, this is cot, COT. Cot x into tan x is equal to 1. 16 9s are 144. 144 root 12 and 12 2s are 24. So 24 is the minimum value. Here the minimum value of the function is 24. Let us discuss about 46. This is also same concept. These are only MSET bit students, not for mains. These are easy bits, level 1. MSET concept I am saying. Only MSET values. Regarding MSET concept only I am discussing today. 46. Minimum value of minimum value of 4 e power x plus 9 e power minus x. same formula you use the formula am greater than or equal to 0. You can write here 4 e power x plus 9 e power minus x by 2 greater than or equal to root of 4 e power x plus 9 e power minus x. So you can write 4 e power x plus 9 e power minus x greater than or equal to e power x into e power minus x becomes 0. E power 0 is 1, 4 9 are 36, 36 root to 6, 2 6 are 12. So 12 is the minimum value here. Now you can write 47th IMP. In functions chapter also this sum is there. In trigonometric also this sum is there. This is multi-conceptual question but easy question. If L square plus M square equal to 1, find the max value of find max value of L plus M. L square plus M square is equal to 1. Students, let us think about L is equal to cos square theta, cos theta. L is equal to cos theta and M is equal to sin theta. So we know that here according to identity we can write here cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Now I am writing. Now L plus M. So what is the value of L here? Cos theta. You should calculate the maximum value of cos theta plus sin theta. You write the formula c plus root of a square plus b square. Here 0 plus 1 plus 1, that is root. Just logical thinking, it is easy bit. Let us discuss about 48th question. 48th question. Two sides of triangle are given. If the area of triangle is maximum, then the angle between the given sides. This is IMP question. Two sides of triangle is given. Let it be A, B, C. A opposite small a, B opposite small b, C opposite small c. This is an angle. Area I am writing. Area using the sides and using the angle. You should write the formula 1 by 2 BC sin capital A. He is discussing about if the area is maximum, then the angle between the given sides. If the area is maximum, TA, I am writing derivative. Let it be right f of capital A is equal to 1 by 2 sin capital A. To find the area is min or max, f dash A is equal to 0. So 1 by 2 sin A into BC I am saying. Here 1 by 2 into BC into here cos A is equal to 0. I think we have discussed in errors and approximation chapter. Whenever cos A is equal to 0, A is equal to pi by 2. Students, this question arises in 2002 mains. A is equal to pi by 2. That angle is 90 degrees. He given fourth option. Today, last question in level 1 classwork. This is 49th question. In the chapter Maxima Minima, 49th question. A triangle of maximum area. A triangle of maximum area inscribed in a circle. A triangle is maximum area inscribed in a circle of triangle 20 root 3, then the radius of the circle. I think we discussed in theory bits or in concept that if a polygon inscribed in a circle, it becomes a regular polygon. A triangle, already we discussed, a triangle which can be inscribed. A triangle which can be inscribed in a circle. A triangle which can be inscribed in a circle becomes not only triangle but also a polygon, becomes an equilateral triangle. Here I am writing equilateral triangle. If we want to discuss about polygon, Example, the maximum area, the rectangle which is having maximum area becomes a square. A pentagon becomes regular pentagon. Hexagon regular becomes regular hexagon. Like that, triangle becomes regular means all sides are equal. Becomes equilateral triangle. Proof I said previously to you. So, if the S side 20 root 3, small a, let us discuss about small a, small a or small b or small c, anything is equal. 20 root 3, a triangle, then the radius he is asking. Which one radius? This is, let it be yes, SA is equal to SB is equal to SC is equal to capital R. We know that. Using the formula of properties of a triangle, 2R sin capital A, you write. 2R sin capital A. Here, 20 root 3 equal to 2 capital R sin, what is the angle? Equilateral means all are equal. Sin 60 you write here. So, here you can write 20 root 3 is equal to 2 capital R into root 3 by 2. This 2 get cancelled, root 3 get cancelled. You can write the circumradius R is equal to 20 centimeters. So, radius is 20 given. Dear students, level 1 classwork. This one just now I discussed in video through online class. Level 1 homework already previously we completed. Theory bits also somewhat completed. Let us discuss about level 2 classwork and level 3 also in further classes. Okay. These sums total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21 sums I said here. Remaining whatever the sums are there, 49 minus 21, 28 sums may be there. Those 28 sums you do. Level 1 homework also maybe 40 sums are there. Some sums I discussed. Remaining sums you do, students. This is the last chapter I think. If we finish this chapter 100% we can say that successively have completed objective 100% in 1A and 1B also. Okay students.